The Cosmetic Center is really welcoming and comfortable and bright and cheery.
They have the best technology. They're very educated and informed on what they're doing, and they will really lead you in the right direction.
Everyone is very, very friendly, and they're just very knowledgeable and helpful in any way that they can be.
Number one goal is patient experience. We care about the individual patient. We want them to feel like their needs are addressed.
Dr. Mohamed is the kindest person you will ever meet. He is so smart and such a perfectionist.
Dr. Mohamed always takes the time to meet with the patient and talk about their concerns and their desires, and consistently delivers a great result.
He's kind, very soft-spoken, very gentle. He just wants you to walk out and look like the best version of yourself.
Patient care is everything. You want to make them feel comfortable. You want to make them feel like their questions and skin challenges are being helped and answered.
Tina is such a very, very special person, and when I go to her, I just feel very at ease.
She is extremely friendly, makes you feel very welcome, and I really enjoy my time with her.
Tina and Dr. Mohamed working together to give that true great patient experience is what really makes us a unique place.
I've really felt more confident about my appearance. I love the way my skin looks.
Taking somebody who feels a certain way about themselves and helping them be that best version of themselves, it's a very rewarding feeling.
I just feel renewed, I feel youthful, and I think my complexion shows that.
Our team really wants patients to feel their needs are being met. We genuinely care about what their desires are, and we truly want to help them.
You walk in like a patient, but you leave feeling like you're a part of the family.
Overall, I've had a wonderful experience here, and I highly recommend Carolina Center for Cosmetic Surgery.